About freaking time. I will be honest here. I know what's in it. I already know what's in this anyway, because burning one bush happy personally. Yeah, do. But yeah, the first aid dog tag for $9.50. Yeah. Then $21.95 the Biko Right Sensory Cord, which I will be carrying with me because I lost the other one. Or Hygiene for $1.85. And for $8.85, Fire Foam Light Bulb. So yeah. Anyway, I also got something else, but I might as well show it. From Harbor Freight. Yeah, why not? Anyway, God bless and peace. God's force who agree against us.